Good morning class, welcome to your English class. Today we are going to do the further explanation of lesson number 5, The Adventures of an Understudy, written by Sir Anthony Hope Hawkins. Dear students, in my previous video we have already done the explanation till para number 14. So we'll continue with further explanation from para number 15. Well, we went by, and then the marshal, turning round in his saddle, waved his hand. The soldiers closed round us, so that the crowd could not come near me. We were leaving my quarter of the city and entering Duke Michel's. Here, Black Michael of Strelsau was a hope, a hero and a darling. Paragraph number 15 tells us about Rassendyll, who was acting as King Rudolph during the coronation ceremony. He tells us that when he was leaving his quarter of his city and entering Duke Michael's quarters, at that time the chief marshal turned his saddle and waved his hand. Then the soldiers surrounded them so that no one could come near King Rassendyll, or we can say King Rudolph. This action of the marshals showed me more clearly than words what the state of feeling in the town must be. But if fate made me a king, the least I could do was to play the part handsomely. Why this change in our order, Marshal? I said. It is more prudent, sir, he murmured. Here in para number 16, Rassendyll says that the marshal's action showed him very clearly that what the feeling of a state could be for him. He also tells us about his feelings of being a king. He says that the least what he could do as a king was to play his part handsomely. Handsomely means perfectly. Rassendyll also tells us that when the marshal changed the formation of army, he asked the marshal why he has changed the formation. The marshal replied to him in a murmured manner. He told him that it is more prudent. Prudent means sensible and careful. He told him that he is just being very more careful and more sensible so that nothing could happen to the king. I stopped the horse. Let those in front ride on, said I, till they are 50 yards ahead. But you, Colonel Sapt, and my friends, wait here till I have ridden 50 yards, and see that no one is near to me. I will have my people see that their king trusts them. Sapt laid his hand on my arm. I shook him off. The marshal hesitated. Am I not understood? Said I, and the marshal gave the orders. I saw old Sapt smiling into his beard, but he shook his head at me. If I had been killed in open day in the streets of Strelsau, Sapt's position would have been a difficult one. Here, paragraph number 18 to 21 tells us that when he came to know that the marshal has changed the position of these army soldiers just to be more sensible and more careful about the security of the king, he asked the marshal and Colonel Sapt to let the horses and the soldiers marched 50 yards away from him. Then he would march, and after that Colonel Sapt and the others would march behind him, that too 50 yards away from him, just to show the people of his state that he trusted them. The speaker of this lesson also tells us in paragraph number 21 that if King Rudolph, or we can say that Rassendyll, who was acting as King Rudolph, would get killed in an open street that day, then Sapt's position would be in a very difficulty, or we can say that he would be in a great difficulty if this happened so. So I, riding alone, entered this barely decorated part of town. It was more interesting, for I heard the comments of the crowd. "If he's red, he's right," cried an old woman. I laughed and took off my helmet so that she might see that I was of the right color, and the crowd cheered me at that. "He looks paler than usual," said one. "He is bigger, men, than I thought," said another. "So he had a good jaw under the beard, or after all," commented a third. Here, as you can see, dear students, that the speaker is telling us about the experience of Rassendyll, who was marching alone in the barely decorated streets of Black Michael's city. He could hear people's comment clearly. That's why that experience of marching in that street was more interesting for Rassendyll. He heard an old woman shouting that if he has got red hairs, then he is right. So, listening to this, Rassendyll took off his helmet so that she might see that he has got the right colored hair. Watching this, the people in the street cheered him more. One of the people in the crowd said that he looked paler. Another said he looks bigger man than he thought. Then the third commented that he has got a good jawline. Paragraph number 27. "The pictures of him aren't handsome enough," declared a pretty girl. But in spite of these signs of approval and interest, the mass of the people received me in silence and with sullen looks. Paragraph number 27 and 28. In paragraph number 27, a pretty girl said that he looked more handsome in reality as compared to the pictures which shows him. Paragraph number 28 tells us that though the people were showing more interest and approving him as the king, but they received him more silently with sullen looks. Sullen looks means with silence and anger, because they supported Michael and not Rudolph. Sullen looks means that they were showing anger on their face because they were supporting Black Michael. They were not supporting King Rudolph. At last we were at the church, and for the first time the sudden sense of my audacity almost overcame me. Everything was in a mist. As I dismounted, I saw the marshal and Sapt dimly and dimly, the group of gorgeously robed priests who awaited me, and my eyes were still dim as I walked up the aisle. Paragraph number 29 tells us that although Rassendyll was acting very perfectly and people were approving of him, but still he was feeling a kind of nervousness within him, and that nervousness overcame him when he reached the place and dismounted from his horse, he saw Marshall and Sapt dimly. Dimly means without paying too much attention because he was nervous. He saw gorgeously robed priests and who were awaiting for him. His eyes were still dim as he walked up the aisle. That's all for today, dear students. We'll continue with the further explanation in our next video. Thank you and have a good day.